In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a restaurant menu to your Wix website. Although it is possible to create a restaurant menu through Wix itself, there is a better, free and faster way to do that, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to use a third-party platform which is completely free and also very easy to use. So the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the elfsight.com website. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you'll be sent to. From here, go to the top of the page, and there you will find the navigation menu and the widgets button right here. I want to go to this widgets button right here and hover over it, and then I'm going to go to the right hand side where it says tools right here and look for restaurant menu. In my case, it's near the bottom right here, so I'm going to click on that, and then this is going to take you to the restaurant menu widgets page. So from here, click create widget for free, and then this is going to take you to the template section where you can choose which of the available templates you want to use for your restaurant menu. So you can see there's a number of them. Don't worry about the actual design or the look of them too much, because this is something that we can change a little bit later on. I like the fast food restaurant because it has this nice widget section in the top where people can click around and look at the different types of food and drinks that I have in my restaurant. So I'm going to go for that one here. Once you're happy with the template that you want to go for, click on the continue with this template button in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And this is where we can customize the template that we've chosen. Now in our case, since we have these 5 different pages here, we can change them around. We can also add more if you want to. So for example, new menu item here, we just add, I don't know, pancake like that. And then, of course, you can add an icon if you want. You can choose from a library or you can upload from your computer. I'll just go for this. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Click on done, and then it's ready. In fact, the caption should be right up here. I'm not going to get into too much detail about these, by the way, because I don't want to make the video super long. But note these settings here exist, and you can take full advantage of them when it comes to customizing your restaurant menu. On the left-hand side here, you also have the layout. So if you don't want it to be in tabs, you can have it in lists like this. You have also items here. You can decide on the item layout. You can also hide different elements. So for example, if you don't want images on your menu, you can just hide them just like this. You can also change the style. So this is basically the overall color scheme of the restaurant menu. I'm not going to touch any of this because I like the way it looks. So once you're happy with the contents as well as the visual of the restaurant menu, simply go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen here. And then the website is going to take into consideration everything that you've just changed and then create a unique widget specifically for your restaurant. Then you'll be taken to this page right here. But before you actually see this, it will ask you to log in into the Elfsight platform. To do that, you can either create an account straight through the platform itself or log in through Google, which is what I've done because it's quick and easy. Then you'll be taken to this page right here. All you have to do now is click on publish in the top right corner of the screen, and then we need to select a plan. Now, since this is the first and only widget we're going to be using from Elfsight, we are going to go for the free plan right here. However, in the future, if you do decide to use multiple of their widgets, you will need to opt for one of the premium plans right here. So for now, I'm going to go for the free plan. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can copy the code. Simply copy the code, and then let's go back to our Wix website. I'm already in the editor, and I want to paste my restaurant menu on the home page right here. Ignore that it's a clothing store. This is just a template website I'm using to make these videos. So once you are on your editor and on the page where you want to add the restaurant menu, make sure there's enough space for the actual widget. Then head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the search button right here. Then search for HTML and then click on embeds right here. And then on the left hand side, you get a brand new menu to pop up. From here, underneath popular embeds, you'll see embed HTML. Simply click on that, and then this will add an HTML box right to your Wix website. From here, all you have to do is simply paste the code that we just copied and then click on update. And in a couple of seconds, your restaurant menu will be added as a widget to your Wix website. And then all you need to do is position it properly and just size it just so that it fits the entire menu right here. Make sure the scroll is not available. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and preview it and see what it will look like to our users. As you can see, it works just as intended, and even have that pancake section that we just added here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a restaurant menu to your Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.